Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to backup codes on X or Twitter. First of all, you can open the X application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Tap on it, and now you can just simply go to the settings and privacy at very last of the screen. Tap on it, and now you can just simply tap on security and account access, and after this you can now tap on security, and here you can just simply see the option two-factor authentication. Tap on it, and you can just simply enable these options. You can enable text message authentication app or security key. I can enable text message. You can only enable these options if you have a premium. If you don't have a premium, you cannot backup codes on Twitter or X. And after enabling this, if you have a premium, you can go back, and here in the two-factor authentication section you can see the option backup codes, and here it is a way you can view and generate backup codes on X. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.